In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can add a location on your Instagram post. Now, let's begin. Open up Instagram. When log into your Instagram account, when you log onto your Instagram account, click the plus icon on the top or on right side corner of the screen. Click on any picture or video you want to upload on Instagram. Mine is going to be this one. Click on the arrow icon at the upper and right side corner, or the left and right side, no, I mean the right and right side corner of the screen, sorry. Click on the title you want to text about, and then click on add location, and then type in your location that you want to add. Mine is going to be United States. My location is going to be United States. Then publish the video or the picture. When what you see is when you go on the picture or video, you see your location says United States at the top and right side corner of the post. If the same deal, if you go to your pictures, you go to your pictures and click on it, you will see your United States on the post. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to add a country location on your Instagram post or video. If that helps you out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.